In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PowerPoint or Google Slides to a video using Google Vids. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable video version of your presentation without changing your workflow. Before we start, make sure your slides are finalized, animations and transitions look the way you want, and any embedded media plays correctly. A quick scan now saves time later. Begin with your presentation open. Head to the File menu and choose Convert to Video. This option gathers your slides and prepares them for video output. Depending on your setup, you may see a brief prompt confirming that you want to create a video from the current presentation. That's normal. It simply ensures your current file is the one being processed. Next, import your data from Google PowerPoint or Slides. In practice, that means selecting the presentation you want to convert. If you keep your work in the cloud, choose the correct file from your drive. If you keep a local copy, select it from your device. The import step preserves your slides, layout, and most timing details so your video reflects the original experience as closely as possible. If you use custom fonts or special media, double-check they're available so everything renders correctly. After that, you'll be redirected to Google Vids. Here, your presentation appears as a sequence, like scenes on a timeline. This is a great moment to preview and confirm that transitions, animations, and audio feel right. If you recorded narration or embedded short clips, scan through a few key moments to ensure timing is smooth and nothing is cut off. The interface may look slightly different than your slide editor, but the content and order should be the same. When you're satisfied, go to File and select Download. Choose a video format that works for your audience. MP4 is typically the most compatible. And pick a resolution that balances quality and file size. Higher resolutions look great, but take longer to process and upload. Start the download and let the tool render your video. Processing time depends on the length and complexity of your slides, so be patient if you have lots of animations or high-resolution images. That's it. You went from slides to a polished video using a consistent, simple flow. Keep the video handy for sharing on learning platforms, sending to teammates, or posting where viewers can't open slide decks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new presentation video.